Did you know you can now format text in iMessage? In this video, I'll show you how to use text effects and formatting in iMessage on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 18 or newer. Then open the Messages app and either start a new conversation or open an existing one. Type out your message, then select all or part of the text you want to format. Next, tap the text effects icon in the predictive text bar or choose text effects from the pop-up menu. In the text effects menu, you can format your text with bold, italic, underline, or strike through. You can also apply fun effects like explode, shake, nod, and ripple. These effects work on both text and emojis. You can mix and match formatting and effects within the same message, but each word or emoji can only have one effect at a time. Once you're happy with your formatting, just send your message as usual. You can even apply text effects when editing a message after sending it. However, for your friend to see the effects, their device must also be updated to iOS 18. And that's all it takes to add text effects in iMessage. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.